In a major development, the Indian rupee has crashed to a record low of 88.3 against the US dollar, sending shockwaves across financial markets. The trigger? Washington's steep move to double tariffs on Indian goods to 50%, a policy shift that has rattled investor sentiment worldwide. But the story doesn't end there. Against the Chinese yuan, the rupee fell even harder, touching 12.3307, a 1.2% weekly decline and a 1.6% monthly drop. Over the past 4 months, the rupee has already slumped nearly 6% versus the yuan. Economists point to the contrasting tariff treatment. Indian exports 50% US duty, Chinese exports 0.330% duty. This imbalance is shifting trade dynamics. While Indian exporters face heavy losses in the US market, a weaker rupee against the yuan may actually make Indian goods cheaper than Chinese products, offering some relief to exporters and potentially narrowing India's trade deficit with China. Meanwhile, the RBI is closely monitoring the rupee-yuan cross rate. Interestingly, while the rupee has lost over 1% against the yuan this week, it has dropped 0.3% versus the dollar, staying narrowly above the psychologically critical 88 per dollar level. Bankers say the RBI's interventions have been crucial in containing the free fall. Still, the big picture is grim. The Trump administration's tariffs could cost India a staggering $55 to $60 billion, directly hurting employment-heavy sectors like textiles, footwear, jewelry, and gems. What does this mean for you? If you're an investor, watch out for currency-sensitive stocks and export-driven companies. If you're a business owner, factor in higher export costs and shifting trade competitiveness. If you're a trader, expect sharp volatility in forex markets around the 88 mark. My take, the rupee may look weak right now, but it's also creating new opportunities for exporters and savvy investors who know where to look. The key is to stay informed, not panic. Like this update if you found it useful. Share it with friends, colleagues, or in your investing groups. Comment below. Do you think the RBI can hold the rupee below 88, or are we headed for 90 plus? Subscribe, follow for more sharp, real-time updates on India's economy and markets.